I thought we could all use a bit of a palate cleanser, so Amberlynn Reid's iconic cucumber boats came to mind. The best thing about cooking with ALR is that she uses pretty basic ingredients and combines them in different ways. So without further ado, let's see what's cooking in Kentucky.
So this is kind of like an experiment that we're going to do together. So there is no skin on these cucumbers, okay? Because for me, the skin makes the cucumber taste gross. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, obviously. It's just going to look like that. We're going to leave that one there for now. I love how this one's like huge and this one's small. I'm sorry for the commotion. The commotion. Okay, so the next step is cream cheese. I don't know how this is gonna taste, y'all. Just bear with me. So this cream cheese was never opened before, so I'm just gonna, I have a thing where I have to stir stuff. So, okay. So now we're gonna take cream cheese and put it on the cucumber. I don't know how it's gonna be, y'all. Kind of weird, but I know. No one else uses cream cheese, by the way, so I feel like, everyone's opening. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna put it on there. So I'm gonna do this one for now. But that's not the end of it. We're going to put bacon. You guys are probably like, what? Okay, so the thing was, I wasn't gonna put bacon. I was actually gonna put chicken lunch meat, but my chicken lunch meat was bad. That's okay. All right, so one more step. I'm going to add everything but the bagel seasoning. So I feel like for people who don't eat bread or whatever, if you want a sandwich, try it like this. That's why I randomly came up with this. I was like, I'm sure people have done it before, but all right, let's try it. I'm really nervous because this is so random. It's like a little cucumber boat. It tastes like, ooh, hold on. What ties it all together is the bacon. Honestly. I'm actually shocked. This is really good. Ooh.
Okay, I had to giggle a little bit at her reaction, because this pretty much just tastes exactly what you think a cucumber with cream cheese and bacon tastes like. The thing that actually ties it together for me was the seasoning. The actual ratio of cucumber to toppings is off, so I'm going to tweak the recipe a little bit and see if we can't get it a little better. First off, use mini or Persian cucumbers. These are smaller and have fewer seeds. I like to use the serrated peeler to make a nice little pattern on the side. Don't worry about any bad spots, you can pull those out later. I really don't understand why nobody in the Girlverse has good knives. I'm cutting these at a slight slant to give them a more interesting shape. As a baker, I always have decorator bags on hand, but you could easily use a Ziploc bag with the corner snipped off to do this. So here we're going to switch the order of assembly and put the everything but the bagel seasoning on the cream cheese first. Last but not least, you top it with your bacon. I can't quite decide if these little pieces or bacon bits would look prettier. Without the changes, I would give this dish a 4 out of 10. With the tweaks, maybe a 6.5. This isn't going to be anybody's favorite dish in the whole wide world, but I think it would be a good option for anybody doing keto. This combination would also be good for a jacked up cucumber sandwich. Drop me a line in the comments for any other recreations you want to see.